Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, bringing you a very monochromatic pour today. It literally has just those two colours, which is white and it's called moss green. It's the green deep. I did add a bit of black because I wanted it to go almost like a bottle green. I know it's not everybody's colours, but this really turned out beautiful. And I was just testing to start off with is layering the cup from side to side, and then I just realised that maybe it wouldn't make this much difference because my white was very thin and it was going to mix anyway. But it's just basically cup layering, as you see, one colour to the next, and it is just going to be a straight pour out of that cup onto the canvas, but the results were like a cloudy effect and gave something which I believe was very, very special. So bear with me and we'll get to it. Just putting some of the white around the edges of my canvas, so when I do come to tilt, that'll go over first and make sure my corners are covered. So it's just a little bit of a process that I do, but you don't have to do. I was looking for a palette knife to sort of spread it out and push it over the edge, just to give me a better sort of platform when I come to pour my cup pour onto it. Just loving going back to basics. It's a very simple, but it can be really stunning effect. And these kind of wall arts are really sought after, even though they are quite simplistic to achieve. In simplistic, in providing you've got your paint consistency correct, so it's not overly thick or overly thin, and it does create this lovely kind of geological look, I guess. But really happy with how this is going. I know most people, I'm not a green lover, but this was a request off a friend, so I'm going to see how this colour dries, and if she loves it then we'll go for one on a gallery wrapped canvas for her. Just taking it nice and easy. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Just take it nice and easy. Enjoy the process. Don't be in any hurry, because that never ends well when you are. So it's I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really hoping she loves it. So there is 2 more things that I want to do to this. In those white sections I will add a Aussie swipe, which is just loading up palette knife and doing a little bit of swipe through the white to get some cells to come up in there. But first I'll just whiz over with my heat wand, and this helps bring up any cells, but more so for this particular one it's to help the paint absorb into the canvas. I did get some beautiful cells in that. When I come to give you a close-up, or you'll see the dried piece, you see the lovely cells in there. So you certainly don't have to do that to it at all, but I just wanted to. There was me thinking I went through the white, and I actually went through the green. I was thinking of using black through the white, but I thought keep it with the same colours, so it is monochromatic. And go for it. But really loving how this piece turned out. I hope you love it too. So my lovelies, wait on for the dried photo at the end, because it dried beautifully. I was super duper happy with this. And just a message to you all: if any of you are feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Excuse me. There is always someone willing to give you a helping hand or a helpline. As you can see, look at it. Looky. It was super duper, dried with some kind of like cloudy cells. Really lovely effect. My husband said he can see a seal in there, but you know, whatever floats your boat. Wait on for the bonus video after this.
should have known, oh yeah, that you'll be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, to let go. Was it all just a dream, just all in